Hello, everybody. Welcome to week 5 of the course. Here, our last week in this course, and so I hope everybody's doing well. My quick topic this week is about proficiency. Given all you are working on your degree, uh, being proficient at whatever it is you're doing is an important part of your future. All right. So a component of proficiency is attention to detail. Regardless of what your industry is or specialization is, attention to detail is critical, to the proficiency. Uh, and attention to detail also, it just makes you proficient in what you're doing. It doesn't matter what industry you're in, every job requires, attention to detail, proficiency, and, so it just doesn't matter, be it, health or, engineering, whatever the case is, so you must pay attention to detail and be proficient, all right? Be it a specialization or earning a degree, okay? So if you're working on your MBA, that you need to be a specialist as a student. When, you know, earning an MBA means you are the expert. So when you get your college degree in whatever it is, you are the expert in that. And so employers hiring somebody with an MBA expect you to be proficient. All right. They do not expect you to learn on the job. And, so one of the things about, okay, we've had the COVID pandemic. That is an anomaly. We have a lot of businesses that have gone out of business, but this is like a once in a lifetime thing you will ever see. It is an anomaly. It's not the normal way that businesses operate. All right. So businesses fail due to poor leadership and management. That's why they fail. Leaders, managers, and as a business owner, you expect to make decisions to prevent the businesses from failing. All right. And so when an employer hires somebody with MBA, they expect them to know what they're doing. Some employers will hire someone with an MBA, put them in charge of their business, and give you free reign, and they expect you to know what you're doing. All right. So this is why it's a critical as a student. You do not settle for less. All right. As a graduate student, it's not high school anymore, where you can get by, and a lot of us in high school just got by. But once you grow up and you get into, progressing your future in a business and finding something you love doing, um, you should be an A student. All right. Give 100% and become an expert. All right. You become an expert at writing, presenting material that a board of directors would say, great job. Some of you, it may depend, on what you present in writing. I'll mention this to you about, is this something you would turn in to whoever you work for now? You need to, practice and become an expert at knowing the material and presenting the material and then implementing it. I've had several students over the past years within the MBA program did a project for their capstone and then presented it to the company they work for, and the company actually implements that plan. That so you have to be at that proficiency level. All right. So to get there, you gotta, if you have bad habits, change them, focus, make things you're doing every day, not like once in a while, once in a week. Develop your proficiency, your self-confidence, and be the expert in what you're doing. All right. And so that's that. Subject matter expert, that's what you need to become in your profession and the path you've chosen. All right. Be a warrior in the path you've taken. Okay, let's get out of here and into the course real quick here. So last week on research methods, this week you have one PowerPoint, and that is on chapter 5. You will also see chapter 5, 25. You'll see chapter 25 again in your capstone course, the last course you take. This course is kind of designed in a way to prep you for that course. So this is your only chapter on how to put together presentations and so forth. So, I mean, this upcoming week here, actually, the only thing what you have is a discussion. Again, great work in a discussion, and then finishing up your project, your paper, and the PowerPoint that goes with it. So, with that, if you got any questions or anything, get in touch with me. I'll give you my quick test questions here. You can let me know what you think, grandkids, 8-year-old, 4-year-old, what we did last week. And so you can go from there. All right. I'll let you go. Have a great week. Get in touch if you need anything. Take care, everybody.